Hello everyone, in this video Faisal How Gadget will share how to enable virtual RAM on Samsung Galaxy listed in the title. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. First, open your settings menu. Yaps. Okay, next open battery and device care. Okay, next open memory. Okay, next open RAM plus. Yaps, next you click enable. To turn on RAM plus, your phone needs to restart. Okay, next you click restart. Yaps, finish. Okay, next I will check. Battery and device care. Memory. Yaps, successfully. Okay guys, so many tutorials from me. I hope this tutorial is useful. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you.